Hey guys, so in today's video we're gonna do a makeup Halloween look. Don't mind my closet, it is a little slanted, a little, you know what I mean? Just a little, but it's gonna be fine, okay? Just don't look at it too hard. And today's makeup look we're gonna do lima beans. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is what we're gonna do. It's gonna be a little bit different. I won't be talking throughout the video at all. I'm just gonna be doing the stuff, and I'll be putting context clues and comments around the screen. At Walmart, I bought myself a big old makeup packet. It comes with a whole rainbow sponges. I don't even know what this is. I don't know what this is either. Some liquid glitter. It has blood and a white cream, and it has some pencils on the side. I'll be also using my own brushes since that's not enough. Yes, I forgot my ghetto mirror. Or seems curious. Surprised he's not scared of how I look. I look crazy. Or are you scared? Are you scared? No, he's just curious and excited. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed my little mini Halloween makeup video. I'll be posting some more, so stay tuned for that.